Okay, so we are working on problem number 11. Please follow along as I read the problem aloud. Austin collected 30 9/10 kilograms of glass for recycling. Exactly 2/3 of the glass he collected was blue. What was the total amount in kilograms of blue glass Austin collected? So, before we begin, we do want to write an sentence because remember, the sentences help us to decide if our answer is reasonable or not. So, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So, I have my sentence. Austin collected kilograms of glass. Now, notice I did label it with kilograms because as I was reading the problem, close reading, I could tell and I could see that I had the same units. They were talking about kilograms, and they wanted my answer in kilograms. So I can go ahead and label that with kilograms, and I don't have to worry about any conversions for this problem. So there are a number of different ways that we can solve this problem. Okay, I am going to set up a tape diagram for this problem because I want you to see how we can use the different diagrams. So here is the amount of glass that he collected, which we know from the problem that he has collected 30 9/10. That's the total amount. Now it says exactly 2/3. So I need to know 2/3 of it. I can see my denominator is 3, which is going to tell me that I need to divide my whole, the 30 9/10, into 3 equal parts. So now I need to know what is in each part. So I know that 3 units equals 30 9/10, and I need to know what 1 unit is. So in order to do that, I need to divide 30 9/10 by 3. So I can decompose the 30 9/10, and I can decompose it to 30 plus 9/10. And I can say 30 divided by 3 would be 10. And I can say 9/10 divided by 3 would be 3/10. So I know that 1 unit, each unit is 10 3/10. So I can go ahead and label my tape diagram with each one of those. Now, remember that I wanted 2/3, so I need to have 2 units. So if 1 unit is 10 3/10, then 2 units would be 10 3/10 plus 10 3/10, which would be 20 6/10. So I know that he collected 20 6/10 kilograms of glass. Now, if you didn't want to draw a tape diagram, and you could see and understand in this problem that you are taking 2/3 of 30 9/10, you could turn that into a multiplication problem, 2/3 times 30 9/10, which would be another way of solving the problem. Both ways, you should end up with 20 6/10, which would simplify to 20 3/5. So if they asked for a simplified answer, you would have to give them 20 3/5.